This is for our beginners class. I want to show you a very basic finger exercise. This is going to help your right hand technique and especially your left hand technique so that when we make chords, they ring, they sound pure, and you don't hear thudding. So we're training our fingers in our left hand to suss out the sweet spot in each fret. And remember, each fret is a different width. That's the bad news. You know, the longest fret is down here, and then you see how short they are here. They're all different. So you can't think your way through it. It's like we have to turn this over to our fingers. And this exercise really, really helps. Now with the right hand, I'm just cuddling my ukulele with this part of my hand and releasing my thumb. It's sort of like hitchhiking here. And with my thumb, I'm going to just pull down on the A string. All the work in this exercise is on the A string. So let's just do that together. Okay. Now, with my index finger, I'm going to press in on the 3rd fret and pluck it. I want you to notice this. It's so important. Where is my finger in the fret? Is it in the middle? It's not in the middle because that's what it sounds like. And if I hear a thud in a chord, I know that my finger is not in the sweet spot. And I can do one of two things. I can press harder, see, get a pretty sound. Or I can move my finger into the sweet spot and not press as hard and get a really sweet sound. So for me, I feel the fret wire against my finger. I feel it's like, I'm pushing against a wall. My finger's not on the fret wire, but it's right against it. And that's the sweet spot for me. Whoops, better hit the A string, huh? Now I'm holding that index finger down, and I'm pressing in with my middle finger on the 3rd fret. Holding both of them down, ring finger on the 5th fret, and then holding all those down, baby finger on the 6th fret. That's half the exercise. So let's try it. Index on the 3rd fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to make a U-turn. Here's 1, then release baby finger, 2, release, 3, 4. So the entire exercise is 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's close our eyes and do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. If you hear a thud, 1, 2, stop and make the correction. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is not about speed. This is about precision. And you can do this for 10 seconds every day, can't you? You're going to notice some vast improvement in your technique.